Hello?
Surprise! Happy birthday, babe.
You ready for India?
Make a wish. Wow. You, me, and nothing else sounds perfect.
We want people to connect with nature when they come here.
What are you doing?
Will you marry me? What's the mask for?
Jay, do you hear that?
What?
What is this?
You shouldn't be here.
These people left her out there to die. We're not leaving her here. What did they do to you?
Amy. Did we see the same thing last night? That was an exorcism.
You should not look behind the trees,
Why is that?
because that's where they hide, and they don't want you to see them.
Who are you talking to? Is she here now? Will you tell me where she's hiding? Jay.